Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Local and international artists, celebrities and musicians showed solidarity at the Together We Stand Jamaica Telethon concert on Sunday, offering live and pre-recorded performances and endorsements, which helped to raise over 50 million Jamaican dollars for healthcare workers fighting the coronavirus pandemic in Jamaica. The event featured several reggae, dancehall and gospel performances and even saw international singer and actress Gloria Estefan giving an acoustic performance of her 1996 hit Reach, which she performed in Spanish.
Soñar con lo que más queremos.
The musical event, streamed courtesy of main partners VP Records, received healthy support from both local and international entertainers, including the Marley family, Jimmy Cliff, Sean Paul, Coffee, Wycliffe Jean, and British rocker Sting and his wife Trudy, who endorsed the event.
Hi to all our friends in Jamaica. Please donate to support your healthcare workers who are fighting this amazingly courageous fight against COVID-19.
Celebrities who made donations included Reggae Sumfest promoter Joe Bogdanovich, who pledged $600,000. Pop artist Omi and his management team pledged US $2,000, and the sports personalities Usain Bolt and Chris Gayle pledged $500,000 apiece. In a press release, Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange expressed gratitude for the support, noting that the telethon concert is being rotated in European and Asian time zones to continue to raise funds to achieve the targeted US $10.5 million requested to combat the coronavirus. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.